It's always about telling stories. Kahit saan man ako pumunta, laging may storya. Mapaiskinita man yan sa gitna ng makasaysayang lugar o sa mga nagtataasang gusali ng isang syudad. Nananatili rito ang mga storya na tila nakaukit na sa daanan ng mga abalang individual at sasakyan. Storya na patuloy na naipapasa sa bawat henerasyon. Storya na hindi naluluma, laging bago, na parang isang mainit na pandesal na bagong hango. Storya na kung saan nagbibigay kulay sa buhay ng bawat tao. Hi, I'm Chris Andres, a street photographer and a storyteller. The streets serve as a great stage for stories where the usual often transform into the extraordinary. Our mission is yung makuhanan yung mga storya na yun at ma-share namin sa iba. Missing a moment, hindi option sa amin yon. So having an accurate and fast camera is essential. The Canon EOS R8 offers the new dual pixel AF2 which mabilis talaga mag-autofocus sa animals, cars, and people including an eye detect feature. Yung dual pixel AF2 supports EOS ITR AFX as well, utilizing deep learning technology that adapts to the ever-changing narratives of the streets. Yung pag-freeze ng moment, yun yung crucial in our line of work. Unique stories unfold frequently. So capturing those moments are crucial. With the Canon EOS R8's 40 FPS continuous shot feature, you'll never miss a shot. Being on the streets requires versatility, hindi lang dapat speed. The Canon EOS R8 offers the usual vari-angle and user-friendly ergonomics, allowing us na mag-adapt sa environment ng mabilisan. It enables us to compose freely and shoot swiftly thanks to its compact and lightweight design. Through our eyes and lenses, we are able to translate the soul of the streets and share its beautiful stories. Kwento. Yan ang gusto ng bawat tao. Kwentong na ipapasa sa iba't ibang henerasyon. Katulad ng salita, ang mga imaheng nagagawa ng isang katulad ko ay nagsisilbing bintana ng mundo upang ilathala ang lahat ng karanasan nito. Kwentong nakaukit sa bawat sulok ng iskinit at gusali na tinatahak ng bawat tao. Kwentong nasa isang imahe na nakuha ng isang katulad ko at ipinapasa naman sa inyo. Hi, I'm Chris Andres, a street photographer, a storyteller.
Canon, delighting you always.